few weeks ago, I had an opportunity to review my first accessory, Moft Float Case, for 11-inch iPad Pro. If you haven't seen it, you can check it out in the link in the description. It did not pass long until folks from Moft decided to send me their next new thing, Snap Tablet Stand. A stand that is made for various tablets with 9.7-inch screen diagonal and larger. However, this time I got one goodie extra, Moft Trip Folding Keyboard with touchpad. So this review will include both accessories. So let's go. Hi guys and welcome to Digital Marketing Channel. My name is Marco and this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, rumors and opinions. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. Moft, if you haven't heard so far, is the brand that is dedicated in creating smart products and accessories that provide comfort, increase productivity, and mobility. Its intuitive and modern design in combination with high-quality materials should provide excellent user experience for anyone that tends to carry their devices, regardless if you're pro or not. Moft Snap Tablet Stand, according to Moft, is first switch-friendly snap stand in the world. As you can see, my package has arrived in small bag with directions how to fully utilize the flexibility of the stand. In the bag, along with the stand, you'll find a Snap Tablet sticker. The stand comes in 4 different color iterations: Wanderlust Blue, Jet Black, Sunset Orange, which personally is my favorite, and Cool Gray, which is the version that I am reviewing here with you. As expected, Snap Stand proves to be durable even with its form or shape-shifting capability. The stand is made of vegan leather and fiberglass. Installation instructions may seem confusing a bit, but it's straightforward, although I have the impression that I've installed it in my own way, so be careful. Officially, you should slap a snap sticker on the back of your tablet first, which I didn't. Oh, and rest assured, there will be no markings and residue once you take that sticker off. You see, sticker is reusable, so don't worry if it's not perfectly set up or if you want to use it or snap it to some other devices. However, be aware that with frequent removals, sticker material can show signs of tears, which already did when I wanted to remove mine. The stand and iPad get magnetically snapped on. Then it's up to you. Will you use it in portrait or landscape mode? Both options offer 3 kinds of positions under different angles for writing, sketching, and browsing. Portrait or vertical mode allows you to position your tablet in 25, 40, and 60 degrees. Horizontally, the angles are identical except for slightly less sharp 30 degrees instead of 25 from previous scenario. What's really impressive is how this stand is thin and soft, yet in the same time really strong. Plus, it's fully wireless charging compatible. Its thinness allows you to carry it at all times. Not to mention that you can attach it to your iPad Pro Magic Keyboard or Smart Folio, for example, when closed. As far as everyday use goes, you can comfortably interact with the touchscreen of your tablet without any stability issues or wobbling. In a couple of instances, I had a feeling that the stand orientation is not that much relevant when we talk about snap positions, but that's not true. Obviously, once you start using your tablet, you can assume that 25 and 30 degrees angles are perfect for drawing. While pressing hard on top corners can shake things up a little bit, it's still good experience. 40 and 60 degrees in both orientations are more for everyday interaction, content consumption, gaming, and work. With all its adjustability options, it is sad that a stand is truly just a stand and as such does not offer any type of drop protection at at all. To be fair, Moft naming does not suggest otherwise. Snap tablet stands seem well in its place, without any movements unless the force is being used. And while magnetic connection is strong, you don't want to lift your tablet just by holding the stand, otherwise you will end up with a headache, unless you snap your stand to tablet with the case, but that's extra expense. For the price of $39, Moft Snap Tablet Stand can be yours. Check out the links in the description. Now let's focus on Moft Trip Folding Keyboard. Friends, if you ever wanted a good website, a blog, a social network, a web store, and everything with elite class hosting, look no further than my buddies from Ireland. Blackbeard Hosting. Simple, easy to use website installer, 24/7 customer support, real people, and more, hosted on fast, reliable, and secure servers. Hey, even VPN is included. Check it out, 1 month free trial, no credit card needed. The link is in the description and in the comment. With Digital Markings code, you get 5% off. Blackbeard Hosting. Hosting as it should be. In terms of design, I find it amazing. It's compact, somehow fits in my pocket, don't ask how. It's modern and easy to carry around. Moft was kind enough to include the bag as a part of the package, which is a plus. Overall build is really good, and it all feels sturdy. Oh yeah, and you can feel that aluminum. The moment you unfold it, you can see 2 portions. On the left side is section with keys. On the right, you'll find a trackpad with 2 buttons for left and right click, which can easily be turned off completely if necessary. Just above the trackpad are Bluetooth connection keys. There are 3 of them, which you can use to connect to specific devices. This can be tablet, laptop, or phone. Regardless, is it powered by Android or iOS, macOS, or even Windows. Option to use different Bluetooth channels allows you to easily switch between devices by just a single press. Making a connection or breaking it with your Bluetooth device is as easy as it gets. Choose one of 3 Bluetooth keys, press and hold for around 5 seconds until one of the blue light indicators above the keyboard starts blinking. Connect your computer with Moft keyboard and there you go. During my testing, there was no issues nor interferences between the keyboard and other devices. The moment you fold the keyboard, all activity stops, and as it looks like, it goes into battery saving mode. It comes back to life as easy when you unfold it. The connection is fully restored and you are ready to use device between 2 to 5 seconds after you unfolded it. Keys are quite responsive and key travel is really good. At least for me, they're a little bit smaller, and while I'm personally surprised how good trackpad works due to key size and overall dimensions of the keyboard as a whole, I was hitting those Bluetooth connection keys accidentally more than once. There is no bending or lifting unless you press sides, especially the one where the trackpad is. For example, if you want to use right-click button, be careful. Luckily, typing keys portion is more stable. Battery life does not disappoint either. Been using it for 3 weeks so far and no sign that I need to add more juice. Fortunately, if somehow that happens, Moft keyboard arrives with charging cable in the box, but without the brick. If you were hoping to see USB-C, no. Good old micro USB will finish the job. Let's be honest, for the price of $39.9, this is perfectly fine accessory. Anyone that's on the road and who could use external keyboard, preferably with smaller hands, will be happy with it. It really depends from personal preferences. At least it helped me to write the script for this review. Would I use it when necessary or just because I find its form factor original? Sure, but would I use it for long hours? That's a totally different story. By the way, what is your favorite tablet accessory? Please answer in the comment below. That's it, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Make sure you check the links in the description. Beside offers and discounts, you may find some Apple products and accessories there. Thank you so much for watching Digital Marking Channel. My name is Marco, talk to you soon, have an excellent day, bye.